How to hide your Amazon orders. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily hide your Amazon orders. The first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and from here you just want to make sure to log into your account. And once you log into your account, all you have to do is click on this or hover your mouse over your accounts and list, and you will find your order section right here. Just click on it. And once you do that, it will directly take you to your orders. And once you get here, you will find a list of all of the previous orders that has been made via your account. Now, under every order, you will find this little button called Archive Orders. You just have to click on it. And once you click on it, it will tell you that you can archive up to 500 orders, and you will just have to press on this Archive Order button. Once you archive your orders, you will have to find it. So let's see where you can find your archive orders. Go ahead and hover your mouse over to your account again. Click on your account section. From here, you will find your archived orders right here. Just click on it, and you will find all of your archived orders on this section right here. If you want to unarchive orders, you just click right here, and you're good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.